Pearl surface in pearl grading. The surface cleanliness of a cultured or natural pearl has a direct correlation to its value. A pearl can never, according to rules set forth by the FTC, be graded as flawless, but the degree of percentage of inclusions can be measured. What to look for on the pearl surface? When pearl grading, the appearance of the surface of a pearl is one of the most important characteristics in determining its overall desirability and value. Ideally, the pearl surface should be smooth, clean, and shiny. It should have few, if any, bumps, abrasions, cracks, or other surface flaws. Luster on the pearl surface is critical value. Luster measures the brilliance and reflectivity of a pearl. The more brilliant and mirror-like the surface of the pearl is, the higher its quality. A dull or chalky surface indicates an inferior pearl. How flaws on the pearl surface affect? Almost no pearl will ever have a pearl surface. Some flaws or irregularities are almost certain to be found on any pearl. The way to judge the degree to which these imperfections may affect the value or quality of the pearl is to examine how visible or diffuse they are, and also whether or not they will affect the durability of the pearl. Chips, gaps, or cracks in the pearl surface are the most serious flaws because they can cause the pearl to break or heal, thus destroying both its beauty and its value. Flaws such as this can greatly impact the value of even the most otherwise high-quality pearl. This is very important to watch for when grading pearls. Minor flaws on the pearl surface aren't as bad. That are often found are minor scratches or abrasions, which may affect small area of the pearl's luster or color, small spots or variations in the pearl's coloring, and tiny bubbles of wrinkles in the pearl surface. Irregularities such as this generally do not indicate a weakness in the pearl structure, such as cracked wood, and they are often so small as to be virtually unnoticeable.